Hey Socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariell. I create mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle vlogs. If that's the type of content you enjoy, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. So in today's video, I want to show you 5 styles of glasses that I think would be perfect for either low pixie cuts or even wearing your hair to the back. Now my hair is really short, it's in a pixie cut, but I do have it sort of brushed towards the back, and I feel like it's giving the same vibe as if I would have like a ponytail slick to the back, if you get what I mean. So I do want to thank my friends over at Vooglam for sponsoring today's video. I want to show you guys 5 really cute styles of glasses that I picked out from Vooglam. So if you want to see how they look and my thoughts on them, then keep on watching. So here's the first pair. I'm going to take this really cute cleansing cloth that is provided when you buy a pair of Vooglam glasses, which I love when glasses brands include this, because if you know anything about wearing glasses, if you're a true glasses wearer like myself, these is a need. Even if you wear sunglasses, I feel like I'm always reaching for a cleansing cloth when I'm out and about on the days I have my glasses on. So yeah, I really like this added touch. So this is the first pair. This is a sort of a light to medium shade brown glasses that has the cat eye effect. I would say this is like a large frame, a larger size frame, but I thought it was perfect because it sort of blends into my skin, which is great for somebody with colored hair especially. I really do like the fact that Vooglam has an option to try on glasses on their actual website. It's so great. They have endless styles to choose from, and they also have an app if you wanted to download the app, and then you could also utilize the try on function there. I actually like every angle of these glasses, which is very important to me when I'm picking out a style of glasses, and they are super comfortable. So one of the problems that I run into every now and again with a new style of glasses is the fit of them. I feel like they're so loose that they just slide down off my face, but I really enjoy the comfort level of this pair. Nice and snug, so snug that I feel like I can actually work out in them. I love that. So let's try the next style. You notice they do come in the corresponding orange bag that matches the white cloth. And if you wanted to, you could use this to actually cleanse your glasses because it's a really nice felt material. Here's the second pair, which is shaped a bit different. It does go a little bit more elongated towards the top slightly. And I do like the tortoiseshell print of this one. I feel like it could go with a lot of things. You could wear tortoiseshell with almost anything. It's almost like wearing black. So this will look good with your browns, obviously, black, all white, and almost any color. Another reason why I picked out the tortoise shade is because I am considering changing my hair color. And I feel like the tortoiseshell print will match any hair color you choose. I do love the added detail on the side that has like the light rose shade on the side. It's a natural rose color that I feel like will look good on any skin tone. So let's try the next pair. I feel like everybody needs an all black pair of glasses if you wear glasses. Classic. If I was to sum this pair up in one word, I would say classic. This gives me classic. This gives me school teacher vibes. This gives me preppy vibes. It would go with anything you wear. It would go with any hair color, and I feel like it would go with any face shape. It does have the added gold detail on the arm of the glasses, which I think adds a really cute chic touch. So comfortable as well. All of the glasses so far have been really comfortable and snug, not too tight and definitely not loose. So this is the next pair. I absolutely love this. I wanted to go for something with a bit of a different shape that wasn't cat eye. So this is a straight up square frame, which I've never had like a straight, almost boxy square frame before. It's a thinner frame that's also in the tortoiseshell print, which, like I said earlier, I feel like can go with absolutely anything. Love these. And with this pair, I do like the added gold detail with the little gold ball right there with the little gold circle that's on the side. It's just a small added detail that makes it super chic. What do you guys think about this square pair? These are the last pair, which is another tortoiseshell pair, but this has the added gold detail at the top, which I think is really nice. The shape of these is given something different than the other 4 pair, and so that's why I liked it as well. I feel like this is something that I could wear on my dressier days because the gold detail detail at the front, to me, gives a little bit more elegant or elevated. So if there's a day that I'm wearing like a dress or something and I need to put on glasses, this would be the pair. This one has tortoiseshell detail on the side rather than a different color, which I really like. What do you guys think about the last pair? If you are interested in purchasing some glasses from Vooglam, I do have a discount code, 15% off with using my code Ariell. I'll also have it linked in the description box for you, along with their website and all the contact information for Vooglam. So rating them from my least favorite to my favorite, which I do like them all, but if I were to rate them, I would say this pair is number 5. The black pair would be number 4. The round tortoise shell for number 3. The square tortoise shell for number 2. And the medium tone brown cat eye for number 1. Comment down below, let me know if it's time for you to get some new glasses and which pair out of the 5 do you think looks best on me. Thank you again to Vooglam for sponsoring today's video. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love, 'cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the